Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to our Benzo TV. It's the Nedbank Cup, TS Galaxy 2, Spear 0. I'm joined by Ukos. Hey, Timotash ngiyathokoza. Ithuba ongiphe lona ngiyathokoza. Mina ngimlandeli we Casric Stars. Underdogs. Yeah, but my underdogs. Yeah, I'm underdogs. Hayi thina sithi underdogs. Yeah, underdogs. Ikapu lengilethu. Angifuna ukuzaza ikapu lengilethu yabo ngimndebele ngithola bara ngiyafisa ukuthi abantu laba benze iNedbank wathi bangasitholi ne-TS Galaxy. Ngifuna i-TS Galaxy kuma final. TS Galaxy kuma final. Mina nje Casric Stars. Mina ngifuna i-TS Galaxy kuma final. Malanga Derby. Malanga Derby. Bafuna emabhida. Zulu Kingdom. Ngifuna kwa mina. No, ngifuna. Hey, what? Yeah, it's obvious. Balandeli wami. Ngimlandeli we Casric Stars. But i-TS Galaxy yayive. Mara ngimndebele yabona nesigqoko. Ngimndebele. Qobo. I don't care about bathi. Mara ngimndebele ngibuya khona la ko Solomon Pandla Stadium.
Ngiphi man of the match, Kos?
Man of the match goalkeeper Otoro
Tapeira.
Akusingona emzansi but
ngazuvuma.
Uzuvuma nina. Umuntu koze bamqhamise uvuma. Uchips. Umuntu. The person koze bamqhamise uvuma. Timotash. Ngikule ngiveva ichips. Uvuma akahambi.
Before the coach.
But no. Casric Stars. Casric Stars. Ngimndebele Stars. Ngiyayithanda ichips but no. Mara no. Casric Stars 100%.
Koslalela. Ucanga ukuthi kuzokora abantu kuCasric next round.
kuCasric?
kuCasric.
Mlilo.
Jersey number.
Mlilo defender.
Jersey number.
Ngikhohliwe.
Ngamaplayer wakho.
Anyawazi but uyikonya.
Usasa ikhosi. Inamba kaSilvuya yazi.
Basivoka woboshawuke womthombeni bo. Mara ngeke manamba.
Lalela ukuthi iNedbank ithini. Ithi thatha i-personal loan. Jersey number yeplayer ocanga ukuthi izokona. Kosi mangakora leyo player, leyo mali yakho bhuti omdala. Ngiyakho.
Hey, mina ngisife neNedbank.
Number 17. Alright.
Yeah, bezothatha number 17 ushawuke. Thank you.